my little shop of horrors. I need gum. What am I doing today? I'm cleaning this mess off. And that's pretty much it. As you notice, the 3-ton arbor is gone. There's a bunch of tools on here. There's a planetary ring roller when it's home. I'll drop it down though. Explain this crap. Explain it. Explain it to you. Figure I'll give you a different angle today. Different angle to the dangle. Come on, there we go. Now, as you can hear me chewing like a cow, moo. Basically, I got a whole lot of tools on here. It'll be sorted out. Put all the PPE somewhere else. Kruger gloves. Why am I cleaning it off? I'm cleaning the whole thing off completely. So, I gotta figure out what tools do not need to be on here anymore. And what tools need to be on here. So, stuff I don't use is going somewhere else, and the stuff I do use is going somewhere, I guess. Screwdrivers, wrenches, clamps. Where am I going to put these clamps? Let's just sort it out. Tools, clamps, junky cardboard. That's got to be welded back together. Bench pin. Tools. This thing put over there. Just gonna go put these over here. This goes in the box. That's for that. Bolts. Weird shit. I think that goes in there. That's a piece of leftover key, I think. In the drawer. A crescent wrench. Crescent wrench. Smaller wrenches and crescent wrench. This stays on this. Put that away in a minute. Yeah. All kind of stuff. Got a lot of crescent wrenches though. A lot of crescent wrenches and not a lot of space for them. Da, 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 da. Where's the rest of these damn things? Oop, not there. Maybe in there. Not in there, not in there. Got my little camera mount. I've actually used this camera mount a couple of times. Well, you guys would notice, but I just keep clamping it on spots so I don't lose it. Nice little garage hack. Wipes. Baby wipes. You don't have to have babies to have baby wipes, but you can act like a baby. Still use baby wipes if you want. Gloves. No glove, no love. Gloves. More gloves. Put this in the glove load pile. This has to go back up top there. Freddy Krueger glove, of course. Yeah. Brown glove. More gloves. In the glove pile. Super duper glove pile. Right next to that over there. Actually, I should leave a set of gloves out because I actually use them once in a while. Yeah. Sometimes I usually do wear gloves. What is this now? Also, a little glove hack. I usually do this to my gloves. You know when you get two perfectly aligned gloves, you break them all in, you're like, yeah. And then you mix and you have 10 pairs of the same kind, because like I do, I find a nice good pair of TIG welding gloves and I use them for work gloves because they're awesome. But when you find a perfect set that matches and you want to keep them dusty, what I do is I draw little symbols on them. about the same, but it could be an X, a Y. They're all different. I'll draw 4 or 6, draw a picture of a cow, whatever. And this way you know this one and this one always go together. They're a matched pair. You don't have to do that, but that's what I do. Because sometimes you get pairs of gloves that you get that one matching set that one side of the glove fits fine, the other side's like made a little whacked. So you don't want the made whacked side. This goes under here, under there. This goes in here. Block of metal can go under here. That can go over there. The Wen foot pedal can go under here. Abrasives go over there. That goes over there. And what else? This goes over there. I kind of just put shit wherever I feel like. I mean, it's my garage. I do whatever I feel like anyway, so yeah. This in here. Another one over here. Miniature one. And what else? A Leatherman. This is a tool. These are my screwdriver drawer. This I think I'm going to keep here. Where's my baby screwdriver? I don't exactly remember what the hell these bolts are for. But I'm pretty sure for something. This goes in my stove. Where the hell it's here? Put these in the screwdriver drawer. Come on. There we go. That's in there. I do have to sort out my my drawer full of, what do you call it, ratchets, because everybody jokes about the missing 10mm ratchet. I don't know, I pretty much dumped all my ratchets in one little pile. So it's like, y'all got the 10mm socket joke. I got the, I'm missing every ratchet joke. This can stay here. We know how important phone cables are. Sheet metal. Tape. Put these little... I was going to use a thin metal plate for my bandsaw, but I've come to the conclusion that for the Wen bandsaw, I think I am going to use the 3/8 plate, but I don't think I need a plate this big. I think I'm just going to use about a 10-inch square. Originally, I was going to use I think it's 12 or 14 by 14, but it's too big, bulky, and heavy. So I'm going to use a smaller size. What am I doing right now? I'm putting clamps on my wall. I'm clamping it. I'm gonna clamp it. I'm gonna clamp it. This is for my thingamabobber. Thingamabobber. Alright, tape measure. Found another one. There. Put over here. We're getting somewhere. There's this chair's in the way again. My chair is always in the way. Take this off of here. Put on the floor. Look at that, it's getting cleaner. You can all joke at me now. I'll put this back on the shelf. This I have, I bought a small piece of brass for it. So I'm gonna grind off the other side and put some brass jaws on it. Or I might make some metal ones, or whatever. Whatever works. Cleveland, Ohio. A small Colombian vise put on my trophy shelf. I don't know how I should paint this thing. Oh, I do have a little thin vise. Huh. If this trophy shelf collapses, something's gonna be busted, because I think there's about, I don't know, 250 pounds of metal in there. And I'm still missing, it needs another bracket because it's looking a little unsafe. My gloves on for this. I don't want to lose a finger. But yeah, why am I doing this? I'm going to be cutting some metal brackets. This I'm going to cut up soon outside because it's getting, this is the plate. I'm probably going to cut it the size of, what is it, this thing, about that big, instead of this big. And then I decided to do it that big because it's a lot more sturdy. The other one's a little flimsy, and I could quite possibly run a clamp it to my milling machine, line it up, and run a notch, a groove, a guide, make a guide in it, about maybe 1/8 of an inch. So that's the plan. What else we got here? Sorry about the heavy breathing. I guess it's part of getting older. I don't know if I can. Breathe. Put that in there. My little bucket of stuff is getting full. Sandpaper, junk. Oh yeah, can't forget Star Wars people. They just laying all over the bench. Star Wars. Actually, I think I'm gonna put that on the wall too. Don't forget the Star Wars people. Don't want them dying on the bench. And the hibachi, since it's getting nice out, I'm gonna fix that this week too. Excuse me. Drawer. This goes in that drawer. This one's staying here. I always leave a few random tools on the bench. On the bench. On the bench. On the bench again. One of those screwdrivers don't go there. Ugh. This is gonna get wrecked on the floor. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3. Man, 1, 2. I gotta buy a replacement grinder next. So probably like, why do I gotta buy a replacement? Because when you break your good grinder, well, actually, when you kill a grinder, you need to replace it. And I got just a few. I have a cordless, and I got 5 non-cordless ones. Maybe I should move the giant aluminum bar, so when my kids come over here, they don't get murdered by a giant piece of aluminum. Put it in there for now. Giant aluminum bar. What else? Yeah, I gotta move this now. Need a screw. I know this isn't gonna be too good, but it might work. It's better than doing nothing. I'll put it over here. Can't see it, but I'm doing it. This is why I like that right there. Noise was from an 18-volt DeWalt NiCad drill. That thing's been working minus 20, whatever, no problems. All of these lithium crap, fuck, I can't even. They won't last 10 minutes in here in the winter. So I'm hoping the power stack technology works a little better. I don't think so. I don't hold my breath. So I'm gonna buy me some more. What do you call it? Some more winter batteries. What do I call them? Put all the sandpaper over here. That's garbage. I don't know what the hell that's doing here. Don't know. The vice body. Spray can go over here, I guess. On the rusty part. The Wilton vise, believe it or not, I am still waiting for goddamn machinist vise to finish the jaws. So until I get that, not much is being done right now. All right, the hibachi's got to go. Let's throw this somewhere else. Throw this Freddy Krueger jaws in the scrap pile, I guess. Don't need them anymore. Don't need them. Don't need them. Let's put this over here. Bolts. This goes on here. I could actually go in the thing with the bobbler over here. The thing about the bobber, that goes in there. Like so. Basically, I don't know how long this video is. Let me check. What's the time on this video? Let me see. It is. Better stop it. This is just gonna be the ending of the video. I'm what do you call it? I'm just gonna. I don't even know if I need this stupid thing. Basically, I end it here because I'm cleaning my bench, and you know what? That's all it is, a bench cleaning video, 16-minute video. But if you stay tuned, I got a few things I'm gonna show you, and ta-da! That's pretty much it. So stay tuned, watch, subscribe, like, and hope I didn't bore the shit out of you with 16 minutes of cleaning my bench. Enjoy.